Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you search about the application of NFL, and here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget